Good morning and happy Wednesday, ladies and gentlemen. So, today's lesson is 14-2, comparing or measuring capacity. Can you say that? Capacity. It's a fancy word. It's a fancy word for how full is this cup. Okay? Cup, bowl, it's anything that can hold a liquid, something we can pour into it. How much can it hold? When you get in the upper grades, you'll learn a little bit more about capacity and the different ways it can be used and measured. But right now, we're just going to look at which holds more. So look at my two lovely items that I drew in the cabinet underneath Marta. What do you think I drew there? I was trying to draw cups, yes. So now I'd like you to take a second and look at those two cups, and I'd like you to make some decisions about those cups. What do you notice? What do you notice? What do you see? What do you think about them other than maybe the drawing isn't great? Well, I was hoping that some of us would notice that one cup, it looks bigger, doesn't it? This cup on this side looks much bigger than this cup. So if I wanted to take the cup that could hold more water, I want to give Dad a real big drink of water after he was doing the yard work. Which cup would I give to someone if I wanted to give them more to drink? What do you think you would do? Well, I hope that you would pick this one. I hope you would pick this cup if you were looking for the cup that can hold more. So, ladies, gentlemen, moms, and dads, you can see that we're really just paying close attention to how much it looks like it can hold. We're not being very scientific. We're not measuring. We're not pouring water. So, while we're doing that, we're trying to use our best sense. Okay, so let's look at the two cups, the cups Marta's looking at up top. Okay, the first two cups, you can see the one she's pouring at. What do you think she's saying about this one here? What do you think she thinks about that one? It looks like this one she's saying this one, or she's thinking them. Those are thinking bubbles. This one holds more. What about this cup, this bowl? What do you think she's thinking about this bowl? It holds less. Exactly. It looks like it holds less. Looking at my video, I'm just hoping, ladies and gentlemen, it didn't cut out in the middle there. So if you missed a little bit, I apologize. That was my fault. Okay, so now let's look at the lemonade and the two pitchers. What do you think she's thinking about those two? Do you think she notices they look like they hold the same amount? Yeah. Okay, so today we're going to stick with the concept of we're looking for an X on the cup or the bowl that looks like it holds less, and we're going to circle the cup or the bowl that holds more. Oh, why do you think there's two little lines under these two? What do you think that means? You think it means something? I think it means they look like they hold the same amount. But one's pink and one's orange. How can they be the same? Come on. You know. How could they be the same? Because color doesn't matter. Color doesn't change how much you can put in the cup. You might really like your pink cup best, but it doesn't change how much it can hold. All right. Let's take a look at a few more examples. All right, so you see them? I'm going to give you a sec. I want to know which one should I circle because it can hold more, and which one should I put an X on because it can hold less. And you remember what to do if they hold the same. So let's look at the blue pot and the green pot. What do you think I should do to the blue pot and the green pot? Do you think I should circle the green pot. Why not? Why is circling the green pot the wrong thing to do? Because it doesn't hold more. It doesn't hold more. The green pot holds less. So he should have an X, and the blue pot should be circled. All right, what about our two cool-looking funky teacups? What about those little guys? All mismatched cool patterns. What do you want to do with those two? Remember, ladies and gentlemen, you shouldn't be sitting and staring at the screen. You should be pretending that I'm in front of you and answering me. There's only you in the room, so you can just freely answer. You don't have to wait for your classmates to raise their hand and someone to get called on, which you're going to have to remember to get back in the habit of in September, right? So what do you think we should do to this blue and green striped cup? Well, why are we going to put an X on it? The X is correct. Why are we going to do that? Because he can hold less. The orange and red cup looks like he can hold more. Yes, exactly. Okay. What about these two pots of soup? They look kind of like cool colored witches' cauldrons. But I think they're just pots of soup. What do you think about those pots of soup? Do you think they look like they can hold the same amount? I do. So we underline. All right, let's look at our watering pots. Pitchers. We have a blue one and a purple one. What am I going to do? I'm going to circle the purple one and put an X on the blue one. Why am I circling the purple one? Because he looks like he can hold more. Yes, exactly. So mom and dad, as you're seeing us do this, you might be getting the feel. There's really, definitely, this is not a lesson where we need to spend days and days and days practicing this. Okay? All right. So I'm going to give you a minute to take a look at these and see what you think we should do for each one. Okay, so let's see. Do we agree with? I hope so. How about here? All right, and whoop, nope, I didn't mean to go into that spot there. Didn't mean to go all the way over there. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, the last one. What would you do if I told you to draw a bucket that can hold less than that bucket? What would you want to make sure that you did if you drew a bucket that had to have less than that? You'd want to make sure it looks like it's smaller, right? I mean, you could make him itty bitty tiny, or you could make him really itty bitty tiny, like this tiny, right? Okay? So, take a look at the ideas, the examples, the boom cards, okay? And I'm going to see if you guys can, see if I can set up a Flipgrid for you. See if you can watch my Flipgrid and see if you can try one your own, okay? So what I'm going to ask you on that Flipgrid is to take a look at home for two cups, okay? 2 cups or 2 bowls where we can clearly see when you hold them up for us which one holds less and which one holds more, okay? All right, guys. Can't wait to see what you have to share. Bye-bye.